This is the assembly tutorial for the Tiger Tough Play Stairs. First, make sure that you have all of your components laid out and ready to go. You'll notice that on one of the stairs, there's a small silver bolt on the underside. Save this stair for your last step. Step 1. Start by putting bolt number 1 on top of the Allen key and dropping the part number 4 busy box on top of bolt number 1. Then take part number 13 and attach it to bolt number 1 while holding the Allen key. Use the Allen key to tighten down bolt number 1 to keep the busy box secure. Step 2. Make sure that 3 holes on the bottom of the base are facing towards you. Start by attaching your busy box to the front left corner. Step 3. Screw part 11 into the left rear corner. Then take part 10 and screw it just to the right of the busy box. Next, attach part 6 to the rear right-hand side of the base. You'll then finish up by attaching part 7 to the front right side. Step 4. Start by attaching the number 2 bolt to your number 6 piece. Now take your part number 2 stair and slide it onto the number 2 bolt. You'll then proceed to take a number 1 bolt and fasten it down to piece 7. Now attach piece number 8 to the number 2 bolt. Step 5. Start by attaching the number 2 bolt to piece 11. Next, proceed to place number 5 on top of the bolt. You can then attach part number 12. Step 6. Start by attaching bolt number 2 to piece 8. Then proceed to take your part number 2 stair and slide it over the bolt number 2. Take a bolt number 1 and attach it to piece 10. Step 7. Screw part number 8 on top of the second stair in the rear of the unit. Step 8. Place part number 2 on top of piece 8 and piece 12. Attach bolt number 2 to piece 8 and bolt number 1 to piece 12, sending it through part number 2. Step 9. Start by taking your part number 14 Jingle Bell toy and screwing it into the bracket on the last stair you just installed. Now attach part number 9 to the opposite side of the stair. Now add part 3 to the top of part 9. You've now completed the assembly for your Tiger Tough Play Stairs.